Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can rotate a video clip on your Premiere Pro application while editing. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. In order for you to go ahead and rotate a video on your timeline, as you can see, I've already loaded up a clip of mine onto the timeline. So in order for you to go ahead and rotate a video, you're gonna go ahead and click on effects right over here. Finally, once you have done that, on the search bar you're going to write transform, and over here, as you can see, there is going to be a transform plugin that you're simply going to drag onto the video. So finally, once you have done that, on the top left there is going to be this pop-up which is going to say effect controls, and over here is the transform that you just added. So now, in order for you to go ahead and rotate your video, you can simply play around with this rotation, and as you can see, it is moving on the screen. However, if you want to go ahead and animate this rotation, so if you don't just want your video rotated like this and you want like a 360 as the video progresses, I'm going to simply teach you how to do that as well. So all you're going to do is click on this toggle animation button, which looks like a small clock. Finally, once you have done that, you're going to progress into the video until where you want a full rotation. I'm just going to say to the end of the clip, and I am going to click and drag this rotation until it says 1 times. As you can see, it says 1 times 1, which is basically, or 1 times 0, which basically means it's a 360-degree turn. And if I go ahead and play it now, as you can see, it's going to rotate like that. There you go. And that is simply how you can go ahead and rotate a footage on your timeline on Premiere Pro. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below, or if you want me to make another video on anything related to Premiere Pro, feel free to comment down below. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and with that being said, thank you so much for watching.